What is going on, my gang? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free food on DoorDash in 2025. So as you can see, I got this DoorDash mod right here. So when I go over to my order, you guys can see that it's very expensive, but I'm not going to pay for it. It's just not who I am. So as you can see, this is my order and it is going to be $25, but I'm going to turn on the developer mode and this is going to make my order free. So as you can see, it says dev mode activated. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this DoorDash basically mod that gives you a free food ordering process. So let's get into the tutorial. So first thing we're going to do is go onto the website tweakmod.com. So in this site, just type DoorDash. It's actually on Hex Mods, I believe. So let me just type that in. Sorry about that. So yeah, just type DoorDash into this website. And you should easily come across the mod. Go ahead and press on it. And before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. All you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free, and it's from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So as you can see, it says missing files. So we just need to download like 2 of these apps. You can see we got like Family Island, which says reach level 11. Then we got TikTok, which just says down and run for 30 seconds. Evertail, Travel Town, you got to reach level 9. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. Then you should get the modded version of the DoorDash app. And you can get like all orders for free using this mod. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, peace out.